Hello guys, and welcome back to another exciting video of Cardano News Today. Today in this video we'll be discussing and sharing major updates on Cardano, price updates, and the biggest moment for Cardano revealed by Bitboy. Make sure to watch it until the end. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated on videos like this. Let's get started. Since smart contracts have dispatched on Cardano ADA, what's been happening with the Layer 1 crypto? Plenty. In any event, a lot in the background of its present stagnant price action. With a colossal and faithful community of holders validating its network, Cardano is a beast of a blockchain. This makes the project the highest esteemed proof-of-stake blockchain in existence, seeing as Ethereum ETH is still in the process of transitioning from its present proof-of-work consensus to becoming an all-out staking chain. Furthermore, that is something which may not happen until right on time 1 year from now at this stage. All things considered, on their ADA, a passionate and growing community, strong fundamentals, a structured ecosystem, and a reputation for some of the most rigorously tested, scientifically peer-reviewed technology in the business, everything makes Cardano increasingly appealing to big investors searching for solid bets and a short drop down the market cap list from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here's just some of what's been happening with Cardano in recent months and weeks, some of which was discussed finally at the Cardano Summit 2021. The Alonzo hard fork, completed toward the beginning of September, released the project's long-anticipated smart contract capability into the wild, and thus the capacity to fabricate dApps, decentralized applications, on top of the Layer 1 blockchain. Cardano is currently swiftly seeing its ecosystem develop and work out into some of the crypto's brightest subsectors, including DeFi, oracles, gaming, NFTs, and then some. It's still a long way from making a significant dent in the network impact advantages that Ethereum possesses. However, in expansion terms, it's starting to rival other structured Layer 1 ecosystems such as Solana, Polkadot, and Avalanche. In March, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson told Bloomberg that it's his objective to run countries on this blockchain. The man thinks big. What's more, while Hoskinson said he doesn't think often about the likes of Uniswap, CryptoKitties, and different things, he said in those days that no less than 100 companies right now on Ethereum were ready to go to transition over to Cardano's blockchain. Bitboy said, Cardano has in-assembled porting functionality designed to allow Ethereum-fabricated smart contract applications to transition over with relative ease. Also, speaking of running countries on Cardano, Hoskinson and his team at IOHK, Input Output Hong Kong, as well as the company's commercially focused arm, Emirgo, have a strong focus on building crypto and blockchain technology adoption across the African continent. He also said Cardano was unequivocally one of the leading blockchains at the forefront of an African crypto tech push. In one of the crypto's most underrated, however significant partnerships, IOHK and the Ethiopian government announced recently that they are working together to track the presentation of school students in the country, all using Cardano's Atala Prism decentralized identity solution to make tamper-proof student records and assist with identifying areas of educational underachievement. It's a major ordeal for blockchain adoption, yet perhaps almost certain a longer game in terms of price-moving action for ADA holders. There's acceptable potential for consequential transactional volume to be crashed into the network on the rear of this over the long haul, notwithstanding, and it's just one of several partnerships IOHK and Cardano has brewing on the African continent. While the likes of Arbitrum and Optimism are independently constructed Layer 2 scaling solutions that are designed to assist with streamlining the Ethereum network as it continues to develop and expand, Cardano has its own scaling solution prepared into its protocol as a component of the blockchain's general design. It's called Hydra, and it's natively worked to manage any issues that arise from endeavoring to run a seamless high-throughput blockchain network. As a recent IOHK blog post explains, Hydra is designed to assist with striking the equilibrium needed between keeping up with low network transactional fees to satisfy users and keeping them at a level that deters likely denial of service (DOS) attacks. The solution is also designed to ensure the network avoids storage-based issues as transactional history logs develop after some time. Hydra works through a concept known as isomorphic state channels, which are off-chain ledger siblings that IOHK calls heads, connected both to one another and to the primary chain. In case that's all getting somewhat technical, no worries. Just realize that Cardano has an in-fabricated solution to help its blockchain scale as it grows, and it's named after a multi-headed fanciful beast. Cool. Consider the body of the Hydra beast Cardano's principal chain. Then, at that point, think about every one of the heads having the option to offer 1,000 transactions each second of throughput. Furthermore, think about every Hydra head representing a validator/staking pool on the network. On the off chance that Cardano has, for instance, 1,000 of these heads, in principle, its blockchain will have the option to scale up to deal with 1 million transactions each second. What's more, that is fast. Stablecoins are a key component of decentralized finance, so no surprises that some have now sprung up within the Cardano ecosystem. JED is one such enterprise, which self-describes on its website as a crypto-backed algorithmic stablecoin that acts as an autonomous bank created by IOG, Input Output Global, and issued by Coty. Coty, coincidentally, is a decentralized payments platform that have collaborated with Cardano this year to go about as an installment rail for the ADA Pay application. Algorithmic stablecoins use smart contracts to keep up with price stability and work adequately and smoothly within DeFi transactions, and these are eventually the core aims of JED. There's also one more interesting stablecoin project designed for Cardano that has just been announced by the DeFi liquidity protocol MELD. Interesting because this one's backed by gold, stored securely in a vault, and afterward tokenized and fractionalized. It relies on gold's, for the most part, stable worth, and is empowered as a feature of a three-way partnership between Tingo Holdings, Nigeria's largest mobile network, and Ubuntu Tribe, an ethical crypto company that tokenizes regular resources. Some other pretty significant partnership bombshells were dropped at the Cardano Summit 2021. The following are three of them. The Ethereum rival has given a break with significant US TV and wireless service supplier Dish Network to incorporate the Cardano blockchain into the widespread telecom business. Cardano will apparently be giving its digital identity services to Dish Network consumers. Cardano has also cooperated with esports and gaming platform Rival to create agnostic NFT marketplaces, fan rewards, and more for Rival and its partners, according to a recent press release. Chainlink and Cardano together finally. The Layer 1's engineer IOHK has now teamed up with crypto's leading Oracle to help Cardano developers assemble smart contracts for secure DeFi applications. The Cardano ecosystem, incidentally, does have without a doubt one other Oracle solution that we are aware of, called Charlie 3 C3. Price update. The following Cardano price analysis is bullish, as another lower low was framed following a substantial decrease over the previous 24 hours. As a result, ADA USD should recover some of its losses sometime in the afternoon as bears run out of steam, according to predictions. Throughout the last 24 hours, ADA has exchanged a scope of $2.178 to $2.198, with considerable swings starting with one day and then on to the next. The volume is up by 27.43% and stands at $2.78 billion. In comparison, the general market cap is estimated at about $70 billion, setting Cardano in third spot among all cryptocurrencies by market cap. On the hourly chart, after a significant drop, bears are fatigued with Cardano's price starting to reverse. The RSI is climbing, inferring that the price will continue to rise. The current resistance level for Cardano is $2.2, which was established by a lower high. The RSI is climbing and the price should follow suit as no technical factors suggest otherwise. ADA USD will rise if bulls get through the $2.22 resistance level. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that after a substantial fall, bears are exhausted with Cardano's price starting to reverse. RSI is climbing, suggesting that the price will continue to rise. The coin's present resistance level is at $2.2, framed by a lower high. The RSI is going up, and the price should continue to follow, as no technical factors suggest otherwise. Assuming bulls figure out how to get through the resistance level of $2.22, ADA USD will mobilize towards its next resistance level at $2.4 to $2.45 to $2.5. Subsequent to establishing two lower highs above $2 toward the beginning of October, Cardano hit another downside high of $2.30 in mid-October, followed by the current scope of $2.178 to $2.198. Here we're probably going to see a decisive split, either down or up, and we may anticipate brief bearish momentum as seen on the 4-hour chart before ADA USD recovers and starts making strides once more. Do like this video. Also, subscribe and share to our channel, Cardano News Today. Let us know your thoughts on Cardano and its expanding ecosystem in the comments section.